Hi, we're the Double Energy Twins. I'm Judy.
And I'm Shari, and welcome to the Twins Kitchen, where the food is twice as tasty and good for you too. Today we're going to be making sour cream veggie dip. This is so easy, and we love easy.
Yes.
So we're going to start off first
with organic sour cream. We have 3/4 of a cup of organic sour cream. We always get our dairy products organic. They're free of pesticides and additives, antibiotics and things like that.
And then we're going to use a 1/2 cup of Vegenaise. We prefer using the vegan mayonnaise, so that's called Vegenaise.
Right, you get in the refrigerated section. Follow Your Heart makes this wonderful product. It's great for spreads. It's delicious. It's really, truly terrific.
Now we're going to add some chopped scallions. Love the onions.
Chopped scallions. There's about 2 scallions in here, and Shari chopped them up.
And then we're going to add some garlic, about 2 pieces of garlic, cloves of garlic.
A little bit of
garlic powder, yes.
And a little bit of garlic powder, was it about a teaspoon?
Right, and then some grounded up black bell pepper and some fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice.
We squeeze those lemons, we get them in our backyard, but you know what? You can get lemons at the store, you can get them at the farmer's market, and lemons sure bring that wonderful sour flavor.
And then all you have to do is pulse this for a couple of seconds, and you've got a fantastic dip. And we like to have it with our veggies or with chips.
Okay, right, so here we go. When you put your dip together, we're going to put it in the middle here. Now this dip goes great with chips. It goes great with veggies. It even goes great as a spread for veggie burgers, or you put them on buns. You could put on a gluten-free bun. Shari and I write natural foods cookbooks, and we do gluten-free cooking, like our latest book, The Ultimate Allergy-Free Snack Cookbook. So these were snacks that we would put in the book here. So,
well, we want you to enjoy the sour cream veggie dip here at the Twins Kitchen,
where the food is twice as tasty and good for you too.